Welcome to Dumpster King, where royal solutions meet your disposal needs with regal flair. At Dumpster King, we reign supreme in waste management, offering unparalleled dumpster rental services that elevate your cleanup projects to a majestic level. Dumpster King takes pride in providing a kingdom of dumpster options suitable for projects of any magnitude. Whether you're orchestrating a home rejuvenation, a noble commercial construction, or a community cleanup crusade, Dumpster King stands ready with the perfect-sized container to accommodate your royal disposal demands. Embark on a journey of waste disposal excellence by exploring our majestic offerings on our royal domain, www.dumpsterkingnc.com. Dial our distinguished line at 919-669-7370 to experience the magnificent touch of our services, ensuring your debris dilemmas are handled with the utmost precision and efficiency fit for a king. Join the royal court of satisfied patrons who have witnessed the unparalleled service of Dumpster King, where every dumpster is a testament to our commitment to a cleaner, more organized kingdom. Let Dumpster King be your trusted ally in the quest for a clutter-free realm where waste bows before the majestic solutions we offer.